Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial we'll be learning how to cut and sew this halter neck gown. Okay, so don't go anywhere, keep watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video. Okay, so guys, to cut this halter neck, my material is folded into four. I have two parts folded here for the upper part and two parts folded here for the lower part. Okay, and then the length of this gown is 62 inches, okay, including folding allowance. All right, so we'll be drafting out the back and the front together. Okay, so from the starting line here, I'll just be coming down by 8.5 inches for the round armhole divided by 2. Okay, so I'll be coming down by 8.5 inches. Then I'll use my ruler and make a straight line. Okay, then the shoulder, then the neck width I'm working with is 3 inches. The neck depth 2.5 inches. Okay, so I'll use my ruler and connect the neckline like so. Okay, so on this armhole line, the round bust measurement I'm working with is 11.5 inches. Okay, so I'll mark that like so, then add extra 2 inches for allowance. Okay, so I'll just extend this line. Then from this upper neck width, I'll just use my ruler and connect to this point. So I'll just be cutting this part out for the front alone. Then I'll just fold this upper part like so, the front part like so. If you want your back to be lower, you can, you can extend it. So I'll just open like so and cut this part out. So the next thing we'll be doing is I'll take this to the machine. Okay, I'll be folding the front neckline. Okay, I'll fold and sew the both armholes. Okay, and then for the back I'll be folding like so. Okay, I'll run a stitch to create a channel for my elastic. All right, so guys, this is my front. I've gone ahead to fix the rope. Okay, the length of this rope is 55 inches. So this is the lower part and the back part. This is my elastic. Okay, the length of this elastic is 16 inches. Okay, so we'll just be passing this, So we'll just pass this. Okay. So guys, after doing this, I'll bring the front. Okay. I'll place the back on it. Right side facing each other. Okay. So after securing like so, I'll take this to the machine, sew half an inch from here down to the lower part of the gown. Okay, I'll also be doing the same thing for this other part too. Then I'll be hemming the lower part with half an inch also. Okay. So guys, with this we've come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye, and see you in my next one.